Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, and I'll be taking you guys on a day in the life as a fashion design student in Benilde. So, agenda lang today is to first silipin yung mga boots for the SI week, and then I have class sa Metro. Then I have a Pat Fit class sa Taft campus. So, ayun. This is my second vlog. Kasi tinamad talaga ako mag-vlog the whole year last year because of the research. Okay, I am set and ready. So, bababa na lang ako to get just a little bit of coffee. Because if di nyo ako kilala, patay ako kapag hindi ako nagkape. So, I'll see you guys when I get to the DAC campus. Hi, you guys!
Hi everyone! Welcome to our vlog!
Nag-vlog na talaga ako. Hi! Ito na talaga guys. So we're in here on our first class. This is a Metro. Wala na. Di na ako to.
Ano oras na?
11:20.
11:20. We're in our first class.
Good check. Good check. Shirt is from...
I forgot.
Wag na lang mag-fit check.
Sa Paris po.
So guys, here's my drawing. This task us to create a character profile. Here's my design. Her name is Joanne Bridge, inspired by my friend. Hi Zabby. Can you see your design? Wow, I love it. She's Sasha, guys. Hi Miss Nina. Can we see your design? Tell me about your design. Di nakabino.
Baka hindi naman nakapagpasensya.
Fit check.
Ano ka pa?
This is from... I won't support that brand. This is from H&M. And this is from H&M.
What level siya sa Fear?
H&M is... This is the lowest.
The lowest.
This is from...
Luwing.
This is fast fashion, guys. Let's not support fast fashion. This is also fast fashion. This is also fast fashion. And this is fast fashion.
Mabilis siyang ginawa.
Lalagay ko yung vlog. This is Billy, guys. This is...
Nilalagnat ako. Bigyan ko ng sipon yung one.
Yo, kabili. Guys, kakatapos lang ng Metro. How was it, you guys?
What is it? Pwede naman. Chok. Pwede na.
Ewan ko sa kanila. So we have class, we have Pat Fit sa Taft campus. But it's raining so bad.
So bad?
Yeah, it's raining so bad, you guys.
So bad. Sige, paano bad? Paano naging bad?
Ayoko na mag-vlog. Walking down the stairs kasi ang tagal ng elevator. Ito maglakad ng stairs. Baba na kayo. Wait lang.
Victoria's Secret supermodel Adrian Lima.
Guys, oh my god. We just danas sa ulan. Naglakad kami sa baha. Danas talaga ang Taft. I just had the hardest walk of my life. Dumaan ako sa harap ng Taft SDA. Grabe. Ano masasabi mo, Norwin?
Gaget!
Buhay pa naman kami, guys. This is PatFit. Hi guys, this is my friend Alexa. Follow her here. That's Dancer, part ng World of Dance Philippines. Okay guys, we are finished with PatFit. Nag-ano lang kami, yoga exercises. We did squats, glute bridges, ano pa ba? Beetle, dog, cat, and anything. Grabe, I'm so pagod. How are you?
Tired. But still.
Fresh pa naman tayo. So, we're going to U-Mall to eat. So, I'll see you guys there. So guys, I bought some ukay here in Benilde. I will gupit some to put on my design library for a metro. Ay, di ba yan? Syrup yan eh.
Teka lang.
So guys, nandito kami sa KFC after PatFit to replenish our energy. So, yung ako nag-vid kanina kasi kinuha namin ID and wala pa akong ID guys. Gate pass na lang. Wala di sinam. Uy, may timer.
10 seconds. Pa-airdrop.
Sabi na lang ang broke eh. O gagawa na na.
So guys, this is my design.
And running the household was the job of all women, regardless of down to washing the clothes, working, ginagawa ng babae.
Pagdating sa bahay.
Place your hands. So, kunyari, sleep. Kunyari, terno sleep siya. Ilagay niyo yung hand sa terno sleep. Ang laki ng ginaganda.
Nina.
So, what yung,
Hi you guys, we are at Jollibee.
We are jolly.
It's her birthday. Happy birthday. Say hi, Jo. Mara. What are you getting?
A perm.
What are you getting?
Super meal.
Uwi na si Nina. Bye, Nina. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Knock. Picture knock. Zoe. Video yun. Guys, nasa 4 Monkeys kami. Guys, we're in 4 Monkeys. It's currently 5 p.m. and we're drinking. Don't do this, kids! Happy birthday to you. Hi guys.
You would receive a Jordan. Okay? Imitators program. Or peer. Okay? Color is Miss Yani Oitipo Abaw. Okay? And then of course your academic advisors, Miss Olive, Miss Ayi. And then ay, Annalyn kasi talaga guys yung pang... Yes, then proceed. Okay, proceed po. Okay, so when you proceed, ito yung makikita nyo, basically your registered subjects or like yung parang listable subjects yun. So, May pa excited about?
May pangkain na kami.
Four of our favorites received two Miss.
Two will receive dress form. Saging tayo.
Ano guys?
Roxy.
Yellow's birthday, you guys. Hi guys, we are at Calicaf. Kasama ko sila AJ. Hello everyone. Charlie. And Sammy. So I ordered chocolate batty roll guys. 7 out of 10 naman. Masarap naman. Diba? Sure. So, they're making project. Dito, ay na isa pa lang yun. Cheers!
Hello everyone.
Hi! Cheers!
Hello everyone. Yeah.
Baka ito na talaga yung sign na kailangan natin uminom. Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers!
Yeah.
That's 2 out of 3. Pre-game lang namin tatlo kasi local.
I mean, hindi masarap na yung...
For me, masarap siya. Pero ang sakit niya dito. Like, you know.
Paabot na yung sola.
Ayoko na! Hi you guys, it's currently 2 a.m. and we're heading to McDo to eat and rest for a bit before going home. So see you guys in McDo.